We were now well into our passage. Simon, the diesel engine, had powered through the night until the wind gently picked up, and the purr of Perkins quieted down. Absolutely beautiful morning this morning. The conditions have changed in our favor. Looks like the wind is at a beam at about 10, 15 knots. We're going pretty fast. Right, Paul?
Yeah.
How fast are we going?
Speed 5.5.
Nice. Gautier?
Yeah,
All good?
all good.
How's the forehead? All good?
I got a second sunburn yesterday, so I slept so, but it's okay.
Sailing is really boring. Once everything is tuned, there's nothing to do. Well, there's always this. The sea knocks you out. At times, all you want to do is just sleep. And we do. But if you're a video artist like me, you find interesting things to look at, like waves, which can be hypnotic. It was a good time to sail the West African Atlantic. You can tell a real sailor when it's time to pee. Gautier knows just where to go. Don't need to worry about him. Hey man, here's the crew. International crew. Asahi from Japan. And 2 young engineer students from France. Really great to have all these guys aboard, especially these two. Even though they're French and they get a lot of criticism for just being French, they are amazing guys. They are the best France has to offer. They're smart, cool, chill. They know how to sail. I learned stuff from them, even though they're like 12 years old. If you meet these guys on your travels or anywhere, if you see them and they need your help or you can help them out, please do. I wish I could have helped out more. They ended up helping me out more than me just carrying them across this body of water, which thanks to Galopin also. And look, they always make time to breakfast, lunch, dinner. I could see the difference in the ocean here. This is Cape Verdean conditions. Look at the sea. Well, I'm all too familiar with this. My hopes were to get in and anchor before dark. We were not very fast in the first couple days, and I could feel the current against us. But according to the speed on ground here, we may just make it before night. Things should get more exciting today. This being our 3rd day, here and always ready to slap you in the face weather conditions, Cape Verde weather conditions. had made it to the easternmost island, Maio. I wanted to sail north of the island originally, but the conditions didn't allow it, so we went south.
Been thinking about you day and night. I can't get enough. Oh, nah. I can't lie. I love the way you're messing with my mind. I can't get enough of my sweet Madeline. You're the reason why I'm waking up smiling. Oh, my sweet Madeline. Your name is written all over my heart.
That means we would sail in between the islands of Santiago and Maio. This should be a real good Cape Verde sailing experience for the guys. Definitely something to write home about. Guess which handwriting is whose? It's beautiful, no?
So I'm not giving you up, no, I'll give you all that I got. Oh, I confess with each beat of my heart. Oh, I promise you. Oh, I wanna be the one to hold you close. 'Cause you're the only one I'm dreaming of. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Tell me, do you feel the way I do? 'Cause I only wanna ride with you. My love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. Yeah. My love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. Yeah, yeah. My love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. Yeah, yeah. My love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. I wanna ride with you, baby. My love, my love, my love, my love.
Winds come down near the island coast, so we motor sailed at a tighter angle to the wind. We were somewhat close to the shore, but it was so stunning we wanted to get a closer look. But here the waves bounce off the cliffs and roughen up the sea. It was about time to furl the Genoa, head into the wind, and get around that cape. It's always amazing to wake up in the morning and realize where you dropped the anchor that night before. We arrived around 10 at night.
Time to go, Asahi, preparing everything? Yes. Les gars, vous préparez, c'était un bon voyage, ça a été?
C'était un super voyage. C'était 3 jours qui sont passés très facilement.
Super météo. Super bateau.
The guys help me put the anchor down. Now we're gonna go to shore and check in. The crew's getting ready to go.
Yeah, finally.
Asahi wants to climb these mountains on his bicycle.
I'm so excited.
We were all excited, but no one was prepared for what would happen next.
Doucement, il a 60 ans, s'il vous plaît. Messieurs, doucement, s'il vous plaît. Messieurs, s'il vous plaît, doucement. Please, be careful. He's 62. He's 62. His boat is
So, we allow you to go to the vessel and to pick your things, but not to stay in the vessel.
It's his house, sir.
The vessel will be safe. Will be safe and be secure.
Yeah, I know.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen.
this Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.